Okay, Wells Fargo intrinsic value multiple approach, take 3. Okay, so the first thing we wanted to do was to figure out the projected earnings per share multiple for Wells Fargo for 2016. So the first place you would start is where is the multiple currently today? Well, today the multiple is 13.5. And then my question was, what was it in 2014? It was around 14 at that time. And then my question was, what are the current comparables with the direct competition in regards to multiples? And we got 11.5 and 12, 13.2 and 14 from B of A, Goldman, JP, Citigroup. So now we have some comps. The team, and lastly, most firms in their mature phase, mature firms, large firms, their multiples run around 8%. So the research team felt that the multiple for 2016 is going to be 13.5. So we now have 13.5, and we now have the earnings per share of $4.78. So we have a 14 multiple comp here, so I felt pretty comfortable adding 1 to the 13.5 to get the next sensitivity. And then we do have a 12 multiple down here as a comp, so I felt comfortable in subtracting 1 from the 13.5 to get the lower bound. Now you just multiply the multiples by the earnings per share to get the intrinsic values. So 4.78 times 14.5 gives us $69.31. $4.78 times 13.5 gives us $64.53. And $4.78 times 12.5 multiple gives us $59.75. We decided that we were going to use the 13.5 as the projected multiple for 2016, and we have the 2016 earnings per share, so we just multiplied the two to get 64.53, and that becomes the intrinsic value that we're going to use for the multiple. Now we'll go over and do the DCF.